All right, here we go, man. That excavator over there, he's making it happen, man. He's got that trailer over there. He's getting ready to pull that thing back, you know. Whole trailer, man. Ain't that something, man? It's always something neat going on out here at this scrapyard, man. I enjoy coming out here. You see everything out here. This guy is about to get this thing broken down. Man, I tell you. Wow. He's breaking it down, guys. Now, I think that dozer is about to come in and give him a hand there. I like to see that. See that dozer behind him? Might be coming in to give him a hand. Well, anywho, we'll come back to that, man. These guys got a little work on their hand. We got to come back to that. It's about 3:30 my time. Let me show you guys what I have in the back of the trailer here. Here we go. All right, this guy coming in to drop some scrap metal off. But this is what we have here, man. Got some refrigerators, have stoves, have a dishwasher, have a washer and dryer. Well, I have a washing machine. I don't have the dryer. I have another refrigerator. Let me see what I have here. I have some other little metal stuff back here in the back here. What's going on around here to finish taking a look at what we have here. Dishwasher, hot water tank. Pretty much it, little AC unit stuff. And I think it's a metal poles that might have went to a swimming pool or something like that. That somebody took apart and they just set the poles on the side on the ground for anyone to pick them up. And I grabbed those as well. I think a little power box at the top. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's pretty much it, what I have going on with what I have today. Oh, man, he's not breaking anything back down again. He's taking a quick break, man. It'd have been lovely to see that again. But anyway, guys, let's go ahead and get this trailer offloaded before this rain come back in and get heavy and I'll be soaking wet once again. Here we go. All right, guys, he's getting everything broken down here. I just want to kind of show you guys again. He is making it happen. Wow. 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 All right, guys, I got my trailer here, man. I got my trailer offloaded, man. I had to stop. I only just got a little bit on here. Everything else been thrown over there. I just wanted to show you guys that, man. That is neat, getting that done, man. So yeah, the trailer is offloaded, man. There's not much going on here. It's about 3:45 my time, so I gotta let these guys get on out of here. They get off in 15 minutes. I'm not gonna do no break it down today. I'm really not gonna have time. I gotta get up to that, get that check before 4 o'clock, baby. So I got to make it happen, guys. So you guys be blessed, man. I hope you guys enjoy your weekend. Today is Thursday, the last day I do filming. I don't film on Friday, but I'm back. So you guys enjoy your weekend. Truly enjoy your weekend. Be blessed out there. Be safe out there. And I'll catch up with you guys on Monday. Peace.